Have you ever wondered why some people seem to solve problems with such ease while others struggle? It's a question that has puzzled many. The answer lies not in the problems we face, but in how we approach them. The power to solve problems, to make decisions that change our lives and the world around us, lies within each of us. It's a power that can be harnessed and honed, a power that can turn obstacles into opportunities. This power is the focus of our discussion today. We'll be diving into the teachings of Dr. Raymond Charles Barker, a man who dedicated his life to understanding and teaching the art of problem-solving and decision-making. His insights, drawn from a lifetime of study and practice, offer a fresh perspective on how to navigate the challenges we face in our daily lives. As we dive into Dr. Barker's teachings, you'll discover the secret behind effective problem-solving and decision-making. So who is this Dr. Barker, and why should we listen to him? Well, let's delve into the extraordinary life and work of Dr. Raymond Charles Barker. Born in the early 20th century, Dr. Barker was a man ahead of his time, a visionary who passionately believed in the power of the mind. He was known for his wisdom, charm, and above all, his ability to inspire and motivate others. Dr. Barker was a prominent leader in the New Thought movement, a spiritual philosophy that emphasized positive thinking and the law of attraction. He was also the founder of the first Church of Religious Science in New York City, which became a beacon for those seeking spiritual growth and personal transformation. His teachings were grounded in the metaphysical, the realm beyond the physical that deals with the fundamental nature of reality. Dr. Barker believed that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. He often said, "Change your thinking, change your life," a mantra that has resonated with countless individuals around the globe. Dr. Barker was not just a spiritual leader, he was also a prolific author. His writings, which spanned various topics from personal growth to spiritual enlightenment, have been instrumental in shaping the self-help genre. His books like The Power of Decision and Treat Yourself to Life continue to inspire readers, offering practical steps to overcome challenges and create fulfilling lives. His influence extended beyond the confines of his church and his books. Dr. Barker was a sought-after speaker, captivating audiences with his eloquent speeches filled with wisdom and wit. His words were not just heard, they were felt, touching the hearts of those who listened. But why should we listen to Dr. Barker? Because his teachings are timeless, universal, and profoundly impactful. They provide a roadmap for personal transformation, leading us towards a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. Dr. Barker's teachings have transformed many lives, and today we will uncover some of his wisdom. His legacy continues to inspire and motivate, proving that the power to change our lives lies within us. And as we delve deeper into his philosophies, we might just find the key to unlocking our own potential. Dr. Barker's teachings have transformed many lives, and today we will uncover some of his wisdom. Dr. Barker had a unique approach to problem solving that was rooted in the power of the mind. Dr. Raymond Charles Barker, a renowned thinker of his time, had a rather extraordinary way of tackling challenges. He proposed that the solution to any problem lies within us, within the power of our own minds. His perspective was not about ignoring the problem or avoiding it, but rather about acknowledging it and then using the power of positive thinking to overcome it. His approach was rooted in harnessing the power of our thoughts. Dr. Barker believed that our minds are capable of creating our realities. By focusing on positive outcomes, we can manifest solutions. He urged us to picture the end result that we desire, to really see it in our mind's eye, to feel it, to believe in it. This mental image, he suggested, acts as a beacon, guiding us towards the solution. Dr. Barker's approach wasn't about wishful thinking, it was about active creation. He stressed the importance of clarity in our thoughts. The clearer we are about what we want to achieve, the more likely we are to attain it. It's about cultivating an unwavering belief in our ability to overcome obstacles and reach our goals. Dr. Barker also emphasized the importance of persistence. He believed that maintaining a positive outlook and persistently working towards our goals, even when faced with obstacles, is key to problem solving. It's not enough to simply imagine a positive outcome, we must also be willing to put in the effort needed to realize it. In essence, he proposed a three-step problem-solving approach. Acknowledge the problem, envision the solution, and persistently work towards it. It's a simple yet powerful approach that encourages us to take charge of our lives, to shape our destinies with the power of our minds. In essence, Dr. Barker believed that our minds hold the key to all our problems. Apart from problem solving, Dr. Barker also emphasized the power of decision-making. This pivotal aspect of human existence, according to him, is a potent force that shapes our reality and molds our future. It's like a compass, guiding us through the vast and often confusing terrain of life. Dr. Barker believed that every decision, no matter how seemingly insignificant, is a potent force, a tiny ripple that can create far-reaching waves in the fabric of our lives. Each choice we make, each path we choose to tread, not only determines our present circumstances, but also paints the canvas of our future. He often likened decision-making to the act of sculpting. Just as a sculptor chisels away at a block of marble, gradually revealing the masterpiece within, so too do our decisions carve out the masterpiece that is our life. Each choice is a stroke of the chisel, shaping and refining our existence. Yet decision-making is not just about shaping our individual lives. According to Dr. Barker, our decisions have a collective impact, influencing the world around us. Just as a single pebble can create ripples across a pond, our choices can influence the people around us, the communities we live in, and ultimately the world at large. But this power of decision-making, Dr. Barker cautioned, is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to create a masterpiece or a disaster. It's a responsibility that we must wield wisely. We must be conscious of the decisions we make, aware of their impact, and willing to take responsibility for their outcomes. He urged us to be mindful decision-makers, to consider not just the immediate effects of our choices, but their long-term implications as well. To harness the power of decision-making, he argued, we must learn to make decisions that align with our values and goals, decisions that propel us towards our desired destiny. And so, we see that decision-making, according to Dr. Barker, is more than a mere tool for navigating life's challenges. It's a potent force, a sculptor's chisel, a compass guiding us towards our destiny. According to Dr. Barker, every decision we make is a step towards our destiny. So, how can Dr. Barker's teachings benefit us in our everyday lives? Well, the beauty of Dr. Barker's teachings lies in their universal applicability. It encourages us to step back, ask the right questions, and make decisions based on reason rather than impulse. This way, we not only resolve our issues more effectively, but also develop a knack for tackling future challenges with greater confidence. We all know how life is full of surprises, and not all of them pleasant. Dr. Barker's teachings arm us with the tools to navigate these surprises. We become more adept at identifying the root causes of our problems, exploring potential solutions, and ultimately making well-informed decisions. But the benefits extend beyond just problem-solving and decision-making abilities. Dr. Barker's teachings also instill a more positive outlook towards life. They encourage us to see problems not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth and learning. This shift in perspective can significantly improve our mental well-being, reduce stress, and contribute to a happier, more fulfilling life. Moreover, Dr. Barker's teachings offer a greater sense of control over our lives. By understanding our power to question and make decisions, we realize that we are not mere spectators in our lives. We are active participants. We are the architects of our destiny. And this realization can be incredibly empowering. By embracing Dr. Barker's teachings, we can unlock our potential and transform our lives. We've delved into the life and teachings of Dr. Raymond Charles Barker, a man who dedicated his life to understanding the mind's capabilities and its crucial role in problem solving. We've learned that the power of decision is not to be underestimated. It is the key that unlocks the door to possibilities. It is the tool that shapes our reality. We've also looked at the benefits of these teachings, how they empower us to take control of our lives and navigate our way through the maze of life's challenges. Remember, the power to solve your problems and make wise decisions lies within you. Harness it and see the difference it makes in your life.